Bell & Howell 80DR with 3 lenses. Have you ever seen a vintage movie camera that still looks impressive today? This is the Bell & Howell 80DR, a classic 8mm film camera that was built for home filmmaking many years ago. What makes this camera special is its 3-lens turret. Instead of changing lenses by hand, you simply rotate the turret to switch between different focal lengths. Usually one lens is for wide shots, one for normal views, and one for close-up subjects. The camera is fully mechanical, so it doesn't need digital technology to capture video. It records on 8mm film, giving footage a unique vintage look that many filmmakers still admire. The Bell & Howell 80DR is known for its solid metal construction and reliable design. Even after decades, many of these cameras are still working and are highly valued by collectors and film enthusiasts. If you love classic cameras and the history of filmmaking, the Bell & Howell 80DR with 3 lenses is definitely a fascinating piece to explore.